Oke guys, ketemu lagi bersama kami VIP Service. Ya, sudah lama sekali ya teman-teman kita tidak upload video-video karena sedang overload servisan ini ya teman-teman. Jadi kami mohon maaf sebesar-besarnya kepada kalian semua. Oke, tak perlu berlama-lama. Di depan saya ini sudah ada Z Fold 4. Sebenarnya masuk di kami ini sudah banyak ya teman-teman. Tapi yang bisa kami buat video baru kali ini. Ini kendalanya LCD-nya tengahnya rusak ya teman-teman, seperti ini. Nah, ini minta diganti LCD-nya. Ini kami sudah siapkan LCD Samsung Z Fold 4. Seperti ini ya teman-teman. Ini sudah dengan frame-nya ya. Jadi nanti kita tinggal pindah badannya aja. Oke, seperti biasanya teman-teman, kita gunakan cairan dari produk kami untuk membuka LCD-nya. Fungsi dari cairan ini itu untuk melunakkan lem yang sudah keras ya teman-teman. Jadi agar lebih mudah untuk membuka LCD-nya itu. Di sini LCD depan sangat keras ya teman-teman. Jadi harus ekstra hati-hati kalau mau buka LCD depan karena sangat tipis sekali. Untuk membuka ini kita gunakan alat yang tipis ya teman-teman. Kalau saya ini menggunakan bekas tutup tempered glass. Untuk membuka ini jangan langsung dicongkel ya teman-teman. Kita masukkan dulu pelan-pelan agar lebih mudah. Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. Ini mengapa saya hidupkan HP-nya? Karena biar kelihatan waktu dilepas itu LCD-nya aman atau tidaknya ya teman-teman. Tapi itu masing-masing sih. Dimatikan juga boleh, dihidupkan juga boleh. Karena ini LCD depan keadaan normal, jadi kami hidupkan biar bisa cek LCD-nya nanti kalau sudah lepas masih normal atau tidak. Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor. Oke, ini LCD-nya sudah terbuka ya. Sudah terlepas. Kita cek dahulu LCD-nya normal atau tidak. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Oke teman-teman, setelah kita lakukan pengecekan masih normal semua ya. Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sick.
Sekarang kita matikan HP-nya. Kemudian kita lepas fleksibel LCD depannya menggunakan pinset. Ini sudah terbuka ya teman-teman. Kemudian kita ganti backdoor belakangnya. Kita buka juga, sama pengerjaannya seperti LCD depan tadi.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah I'ma do shit my way.
Ini kita buka slot SIM-nya terlebih dahulu ya. Kemudian kita buka baut-bautnya. Ini ada banyak ya teman-teman, jadi saya percepat saja. Baut sudah terlepas semua. Sekarang kita buka tutup mesin dan fleksibelnya ya teman-teman. Tetap hati-hati saat membuka dan melepas mesinnya, karena di mesin itu masih ada baut yang pendek ya teman-teman. Jadi harus teliti ya, jangan asal tarik saja, dan juga lensa kamera jangan sampai tersentuh karena bikin kamera menjadi buram. Dibersihkan juga agak susah ya teman-teman. Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You don't die if you try, you just
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. So
Sudah terbuka semua teman-teman. Jadi seperti apa kelengkapan file 4 itu? Jadi seperti ini ya. Ini coba saya susun.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Jadi seperti itulah teman-teman kelengkapan dari samping Z file 4 itu. Seperti itu tadi. Oke, kita lanjut, kita buka baterainya terlebih dahulu. Sama seperti file biasanya teman-teman, baterainya ada dua, yang kecil dan yang besar.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games.
Jadi lepas baterainya itu agak susah ya teman-teman, sangat keras. Jadi kita itu harus menggunakan cairan yang membuat lem itu menjadi lunak.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Di sini jangan lupa getarnya ya teman-teman dilepas, karena yang sering lupa itu getarnya, dan harganya juga lumayan loh. Ini guys, kita ganti LCD-nya. Set. Oke teman-teman, langsung kita pindah saja ke LCD yang baru. Kita rakit ulang ya.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. you know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta.
Oke, kita pasang backdoornya terlebih dahulu agar kamera tidak tersentuh.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that.
Dan kita pasang lagi mesin di bagian satunya ya. Oh iya teman-teman, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe-nya ya. Dan juga nyalakan loncengnya agar dapat terus notifikasi dari kami.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Jika sudah semua terpasang, tinggal kita pasang LCD depannya ya, untuk melakukan pengecekan terlebih dahulu.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Coba kita hidupkan terlebih dahulu ya teman-teman.
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But
Ini sudah nyala, kita tes terlebih dahulu untuk speakernya. Nyala ya. Kemudian kita coba touchscreen-nya.
Or just the start of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Baik, untuk touchscreen-nya aman. Coba kita cek kameranya. Ini untuk kameranya juga aman, depan belakang ya. Kemudian kita cek LCD bagian dalamnya yang kita ganti tadi. Kita cek terlebih dahulu. Bersih ya teman-teman. Kita coba touchscreen-nya. Ini kalau ganti LCD dalam sudah sama frame-nya ya teman-teman. Sudah sama fleksibel dalamnya juga. Oke ya teman-teman. Kemudian speaker 2. Oke mantap, kita cek kameranya. Kamera belakang, kamera depannya aman ya teman-teman. Kemudian kita cek untuk wifi-nya. Wifi aman. Kemudian kita cek untuk bluetooth-nya. Bluetooth-nya juga tersambung ya. Kemudian kita cek LCD bagian depannya untuk wifi-nya. Ya, aman semua ya teman-teman. Ini sudah tersambung. Oke, terima kasih. Salam sehat selalu, VIP Service.